Alright, I got this one in the case. It just barely fits. So, it feels pretty bulky with that battery. It feels solid. I think I actually did crack the case, like right here. So, like, I wouldn't recommend printing this out of PLA. There's some buttons that you would print here, and they would go in here and sit on top of that. I didn't bother to do them. But I'll get it plugged in. It's charging right now. You see that right there? I don't know how that kind of looked like a cataract around the damn thing, but you might trim this before you use it. But anyway, it's pretty cool. Let me put the other one sitting over here. So if I want to go take off and go somewhere, I can just grab this. I can literally, since there's no buttons, I can put it in my pocket too. I don't know that I would do that with this antenna, but I think maybe making one without an antenna on it, just to use the that wire antenna that they supply with it, and we go inside the unit. I think that at that point, then you could just put it in your pocket and be cool. But now this one here without the battery in there, there's nothing to really kind of hold the USB part in there. So just keep that in mind. And if you don't put a battery in here, that there's nothing to hold it up in there. So you don't have to shove something in there or something. Anyway, that's the heltec V3, and I'll leave a link down below.